Ikigai is about serving people. We wish to serve, we wish to bring impact in people's life, we wish to bring a change in people's life, we wish to be an example, we wish to help people reach their goals, we wish to let them find the purpose of life. So Ikigai is a Japanese word. We were actually inspired by a book. A book was named as Ikigai, and we read it around 2 to 3 years ago. And that time, when I felt that okay, this is something we need. That was the inspiration. Ikigai is a Japanese word which means knowing the purpose of your life. Okay, knowing the reason of existence. Actually, I feel Ikigai is not just a platform, but it's an emotion, it's a feeling. It's present everywhere inside you guys. We just named it, which is present all around, all around the humanity. So it was the need of time, and we came at the right time, I must say that. So basically, let me share a few starts with you, give a clarity why we are important and why you all are so precious. 200 years ago, the British, when they ruled us, we were at a great start. Literacy rate, what India at that time had was around 97%. 97% of literacy in a country which was which didn't know their value, but still they were 97% of literate people here. The literacy rate of India was 97%. And I question you, when they left us, when British, after 200 years of rule, when they left us, just guess a number of literacy rate which they left us. I would like to say you, it came drastically to 11%. And you won't believe me, these are not something what I am saying personally, but these are something the start says. 11% of literacy rate, just imagine. I mean, they just took those precious things from us. I mean, they just didn't rule us, they literally destroyed us. Today's education system, it's good, but we have to improve. When we were so good and our everything was going great, what was the need of education system? Why were we supposed to name an education system? Education system is now directly driven by the market. Now what is demanded in the market, you run after it. And this is something a very big problem, and this is literally killing the creativity of a child. So yeah, the three things are: a student from India passing out, he wishes to go outside. Why don't people wish to come in our country? Because our education doesn't, it's not that up. And we all know that, and everybody is trying to complain against it. Nobody is trying to, bring a change. If we don't do this, who will do? I mean, our generations came till here. Everybody just went on. British left us a long time ago, and still we are doing the same thing what they left with us. And we're not trying to change. And when you don't change, how could you grow? I mean, how could you expect that our generations, the coming generations, or the existence of life will, it will have a value, it will have a meaning? You can't expect that. So the first thing is finding the potentials, and we help you find the potentials inside, hidden inside you. There are a lot of treasures inside you, and we help you find them. And the second thing is, we help you relate these potentials with the existence of life. We help you find the existence of life. We help you let you know the reason why you are existing. If you know why you are existing, then you have done 80% of your job. And that is something very important. That is something very precious. So the second thing was, we help you find the reason of existence. Why do you exist? And who actually are you, and reasons behind that. So it's kind of, it's important, but this is something which will turn things into happening. You just won't be thinking, you will be just practically doing this. This is really important. And the third thing is, we help you control yourself, control inner you, control your soul, control the thoughts you have. So these all things are so important.